Good morning. Time now 7:53 right here on a Saturday. A subscription box is a gift that keeps on giving. And Christopher George with the Subscription Trade Association joining us live to tell us what's hot this holiday season. Chris, so as you know, Christmas is officially 49 days away and counting. People are starting to panic in Metro Detroit, but you guys got a good solution, right?
Of course, yeah. Subscription boxes are like the gift that keeps on giving, right? You can get it for multiple months, and it's really a good creative choice as a gift for this season.
Yeah, Chris, we have, I think, 3 separate boxes in front of us. So you know the actual details on this, but I see one that's kind of catered toward, maybe that guy that likes the suit, ties, and pocket squares. I'll be taking this one. There's a golf box. I know my dad loves golfing, for example, and then this is more for Charlie, I think. You got the glasses, your kick back, you're relaxed, there's watches. Tell me what you guys have going on here.
Yeah, so those are 3 really good boxes for the men, right? You've got the golf box, you've got the lifestyle box, which is the manner box, and then you've got the gentleman's box, which is more with the ties, dress socks, tie clips. But I've also got a bunch here, too, for a couple other ones I can show you as well for kids and for women that I'd like to show you, too.
Oh, nice. And then real quick, before we jump into that, how much, tell me, how does this subscription thing work?
Yeah, so typically you would buy, if you're buying it as a gift, you might buy a 3, 6, or 12-month option. You could get the first one delivered to your home, to you first, to hand to the individual for the holidays, or you can have it directly shipped to their home, and that would get delivered, month over month for either 3, 6, or 12 months, depending on what you might have bought as a gift option. You can also just sign them up monthly and pay for that yourself, and that product will get delivered every single month.
And I'm assuming you can do it just one box as well. So say, for example, I wanted to buy something for my family that lives in Oklahoma, and I just want to do a Christmas gift. I just want to do one box. Can I just send one box, or does it have to be a 3 or 6 month thing?
So each brand does it differently. Some of them have one box options, not all of them do, but a lot of them will, right? And I think that sometimes you might find some previous ones that you can offer, but coming into the holiday season, a lot of brands will put together a mystery holiday box, and that's always a really good option.
Gotcha. How much are we talking for these things, for these different boxes?
So you'll see them the gentleman's box is $29 a month. You've got Mully box at $39 a month. It can range anywhere from $30 to all the way up to $100.
Chris, this is 29 bucks?
And what's great is a lot of times. Oh, I'm sorry. Say that again.
So I'm digging in. I'm seeing that you got this. You got the socks. You got the pocket squares, the little hanky. This is 29 bucks.
Yeah, so that'll be $29 for the month, and sometimes you'll be if you want to get a one-off box, it might be a little bit more. So it's different for each brand.
That's a fantastic price. We only have about 15 seconds left, unfortunately. Where can we get more information? And in 10 seconds, I want you to show me a couple of things you got behind you, too.
Yeah, so you can go to SUBTA.com for our holiday gift guide, which shows a bunch of different options and different categories. But, we've got Taste Crate, which is a great snack box. We've got Battle Box, which is a great gift for him for the outdoorsman. And then for her, one of the great options is Fab Fit Fun. This is a bunch of awesome full-size beauty products as well as lifestyle items. That's a great gift option for her. So lots of options out there. You can go to SUBTA.com, check out our holiday gift guide, and you'll be able to see everything on there.
Chris, I like it. You got something for him, you got something for her, something for the kids as well. All bases are covered. Charlie, I see a watch over here. This is going to be for you. I'm saving that one. All right, Chris, hey, thanks so much for your time. We really appreciate it. Happy holidays to you in advance, too.
Of course. Thank you so much.
Absolutely. We're back with more for you coming up right after this.